Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this video we will understand the entire C code line by line in a very simple way for the LeetCode problem number 125 valid palindrome. So I have made a lecture part on the LeetCode problem, so you can check it out in our channel. So in this lecture I am going to explain the this C code line by line in a very easy words. So without any delay, let's begin. So let me increase my screen size. So I'm going to start explanation now. So the first line we have declared a function, we have declared a header file ctype.h. This library contains useful character functions like is some useful character function. Suppose example is a num on to lower. So this helps us to check character and convert letters to a lowercase. So on this we have declared another header file stdbool.h. This library allows to use the true, false, and bool, these functions. So instead of using numbers like 1 and 0, we can use this true, false, and bool. So on the next line, on the third line, we have declared this header file string.h. This library contains string functions like string strlen and string length and string concatenation and etc., which finds the length of the string. For the stl strlen string length, which finds the length of the string. So on the line 5, we have declared bool is palindrome with the parameters of chars. We created a function named is palindrome. It receives a string as input and it returns true. If the string is a palindrome, otherwise it gonna returns false. On the sixth line, we have declared int left equal to 0. We have created a pointer called left. It starts from the beginning of the string. On the seventh line, we create another pointer called right. It starts from the last character. Example hello. Example hello. The indexes for hello is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now right becomes 4. That means the length of the, that's why we are declared the length of the right equal to length of the character minus 1. So that's why. So on the ninth line, we are moving to the while loop. So while left is less than right, this loop runs until both pointers meet. We keep on comparing characters from the both ends. So on the, so this is all about this while loop. On this while loop, we have created another two while loops. Let me explain. So in the 10th line, we have declared while left is less than right, and we have declared is a num is left with parameters yes of left. So this helps us to check whether the character is a letter or a digit. So the exclamation mark means not. So here we have declared exclamation mark, that means not. So this condition means it's keep on moving left while the character is not a letter or a digit. So this helps us check whether a character given character is a letter or a digit. So on the 11th line, we have incremented the left. So we are moving the left pointer to forward. So that means if left pointer to a space, we skip it and we move forward. So we are going to another while loop. So in this while loop, we are declared left is less than right, and with is num, is a num is the parameters of yes right. So it's the same idea as this while loop. So but now we check from the right side. In this we are checking from the left side, and here we are checking from the right side. So if the character is a symbol or a space, we're gonna skip it. So now, and we are going to decrement the right. So we are moving the right pointer backward. So the exclamation mark is ignored. So right moves to left. So this is all about these two while loops. Let me go to the 17th line. So if 2 lower of parameter is not equal to lower yes of right. So this means we are comparing the strings, we are comparing the characters. So before comparing, we are converting both to lower cases. So converting a string to a complete lowercase is important. It gonna, if we don't given the, if suppose if the string is contains some upper cases, some lower cases, this compare will convert into all lower cases. So now they're gonna match. If the characters are different, the string cannot be a palindrome. So on the 18th line, we are declared it is written false. So we have incremented the left and we have decremented the right. So we have moved to the left pointer one step forward, and we are moving the right pointer one step backward. So now both pointers move towards the center. So we have closed this line here and we have written true. That means if we reach this line, it means every character matched, and so the string is a palindrome. So that's why it's gonna return true. So and we are for closing this function, and the function gonna ends here. So we have successfully written the code. So let me minimize the screen. So where's the, so we need to minimize here. So let me run this code. So let us wait for some time. So we have successfully run the code. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.